black, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always about you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them.
Hello everyone, I'll welcome you back to 2J's Detailing on this very cold and chilly morning in South Africa. But today we have something that will warm up your heart right away. And it is indeed this absolutely stunning Ferrari 488 Spider. Guys, just take a moment to look at the beauty of this car. In red, of course, as always, it looks absolutely stunning. And not only is this car looking absolutely gorgeous, but it's an absolute monster on the road. Alright guys, so starting off the process on this car, we're going to do a proper decontamination as well as an interior detail together with a seat repair as well as a proper exterior detail. Next up, we're also going to do an engine bay detail and detail the calipers as well as spray the rims gloss black, which is going to change the entire look of the car. I think it's going to look absolutely amazing. And then lastly, but most importantly, we're also going to replace the damaged PPF, which is going to make it look brand new. Alright guys, so this is actually the perfect opportunity to show you guys the benefits of PPF. So as you guys can see on the door here, there is quite a hefty mark left by the client's garage door, unfortunately. So we're going to show you guys when we remove the PPF, it's going to look as good as new and the paint is going to look scratch free. And if that doesn't show you guys that you need PPF to protect your car's paint, I don't know what will.
Closed when we start this loop on repeat. Hear my chest, how it beats when you put your hands on me. Time goes fast, but yet so slow. I leave all thoughts, yeah, I let them go. 'Cause I'm here with you, and all I need is you. It's so easy to be us. We lock ourselves up from the world we're lost.
So jumping straight into the decontamination, we're now using our top of the range quality Geom products to get rid of any and all contaminants from the car as well as the surface of the paint.
You should know I'm not like others. You should know I'm not the one. If you trust me with your feelings, I won't make you wanna run. Only in my dreams, only in my dreams. 'Cause I'm too rough around the edges.
So to give this car the proper makeover it needs, we are currently in the spray booth, changing the rims to gloss black. And wow, this is going to look absolutely amazing with the entire look of the car. So just wait until you see the end result of the stunning Ferrari.
Yeah, I'm too rough around the edges. You should know I'm pretty special. I don't mean in the best way. If you trust me with your heart, I won't make you keep it safe. Only in my dreams, only in my dreams. I play fair, I don't make you leave. Oh my God, I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time with without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to.
So the door is now all fixed and back to normal. It looks absolutely perfect. And guys, you cannot even tell there was any damage in the first place after we now resprayed the door panel. So now that that's done, we are now moving on to applying full self-filling gloss PPF to provide protection in case anything like that ever happens again.
Keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time. Don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down. No time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more. Figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again. If you let me hear you say my name. If you let me hear you, babe. I wonder if you feel the same. Or just tell me if you feel the same.
I give to you guys the final result of the Ferrari 488 Spider. And guys, I don't even know how to describe this car. It looks absolutely stunning, breathtaking, just amazing. It's definitely a stunner of a car. And now it definitely looks a little bit different than when it first arrived here. We gave it quite the makeover, so you guys can see the rims are now gloss black, and I really think it suits the car so much better. And then since the owner wanted to give it the look and the feel of a Ferrari Pista, we added the sport racing stripes on the top of the car, and that just gives it a little bit of that extra something and a lot of sportiness. Give a big thanks to all of you guys for supporting us, and please keep on supporting us by liking this video, subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Have a good day and we'll see you in the next one.